Hey folks, this is former Navy SEAL Cade Courtley with your 4Patriots Survival Minute. We're going to talk about changing a tire. So let's start from the beginning. I'm always preaching preparation. Find out where your tire jack is, bust out your manual, and make sure everything's there and you know how to use it. Number two, whether you have a full-size spare like I do on my truck or you have one of the little temporary ones, make sure it's got the right amount of air in it. It's going to work when you need it. Number three, when you get a flat tire, you need to make sure you get in a safe place before you even start digging this stuff out. Number one, make sure you turn your hazard lights on always. And if you have a second person, have them out there watching, so if a car starts to weave towards you, they'll give you a heads up. We've done all the preparations for safely changing a tire. Let's go ahead and get into it. Before you actually lift the weight of the vehicle off the ground, you want to start the lugs here, because you might run into the problem like if it was the front tire, you've got this jacked up and then the wheel just starts spinning. I mean, you don't have to jack this thing up very far, just as long as the tire is clearing the ground. Right here, it actually shows the ideal jack placement. The last thing you want to do is put it on part of your body. It's just going to crush it, it's going to be expensive, and you will not get off the ground with that. You'll go ahead and you will finish loosening all of your lugs. Pull the tire off, set it off to the side. You will take the new tire, mount it back on, firmly seated, finger tight, tighten that one, and then the one opposite. Tighten that one, and then the one opposite. You go ahead, you slowly lower your vehicle, and this is when you do the final tightening. Now don't over tighten it. Last thing you do, make sure you check the entire area, get all your stuff back in the vehicle, because you might need to do this again. And that's how you change a tire. That's your latest 4Patriots Survival Minute. Now be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see my latest survival minutes every time they're ready. And please like this video and share these tips with people you care about so you can be a survivor, not a statistic. Cade out.